How to create live sales pop-up notifications in Shopify. Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create live sales pop-up notifications on Shopify to boost your store's social proof and increase conversions. Let's get started. First, go to the left-hand menu on your Shopify dashboard and click on Apps. Next, tap on App and Sales Channel Settings. Once you're on that page, head to the top right corner and click on Shopify App Store. Now in the App Store search bar, type in Sales Pop-up. You'll see a bunch of options show up. For this example, we're going to use Quick-E-Fi. It's free to install, so click on it and hit Install. Then tap Install again when prompted. After installation, you'll be taken to the app dashboard. Here, click on Create First Campaign. You'll now see a few options like Sales Pop-up, which is what we want. Visitor Count, Sold Count. Let's choose Sales Pop-up. Now you have two ways to create your pop-up: automatic import from real Shopify orders or manual, where you create your own order list. Let's go with the manual option. Click on Product List and choose the products you want to show in your pop-up. You can select multiple products if needed. Next, you'll see a space to add customer names. You can add random names for that extra touch of authenticity. Then choose the location and time when the purchase happened, like 5 minutes ago or 2 hours ago. Once everything looks good, tap on Save in the top right corner. To manage or add more campaigns later, just go back to the Campaigns section in the app dashboard. Once your store page opens, you'll see the live sales pop-up notifications appear in the bottom left corner, and just like that, you've added a sales pop-up. It's a great way to build trust and boost your conversion rate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.